Well, we're all done. We got everything that needs to be done. I got a company you can go through to finance it. And we will share this with you when we get back to the casino. We'll go over all this. But now I'm going to go eat. Let's go to this dental comprehensive exam, $77. Let's see, let's get to the nitty gritty. Periodontal scaling and root planing, 4+ teeth, $273. And again, there's another one. What's up with that? Periodontal maintenance procedures, $152. 16. Okay, here's the meaty stuff. Ooh, oral ID, $30. Retainer crown, porcelain, ceramic, zirconia, $1,215. That would be all my responsibility. Another retainer crown, porcelain, ceramic, three crowns, $1,215 each. No, there's 4 now, I see. My responsibility would be $6,120. But I'm not a dentist. But they do have a financial plan. You can finance it. Or a promotional plan that works. Choose the promotional plan that works for you. Okay, here's the annual percentage rate. 14.99% APR for 48 or 60 months. After that, purchase of annual percentage rate of 28.99%. Would you just go ahead and put 29, man? Well, there it is, folks. Greyhound bus tickets right here. $6,120. We're going to Algodones. Well, that wraps it up.